Okay, we're going to talk about how readers will really pay attention to the words and the pictures, which we've talked about before. We're going to talk about connecting those two things, really looking at the pictures and really focusing on the words that the author uses and combining and connecting those together in order to learn more about what the author's trying to convey or share with us. So what we're going to do today is talk about how readers should use the words, pictures, and illustrations in a text to learn more about a story's setting, where it takes place, characters, all the people in it, and or the plot, which means what happens, like the main problem and solution and those kinds of things. So for example, passage 1, we have a picture of a happy emoji. Passage 2, we have a picture of, looks like a sad emoji. And here's the words. So here's the pictures, and here's the words. The emoji is smiling. The emoji is a rain cloud. So passage 1, by looking at the picture, illustration, and the words, passage 1 tells me if the emoji is happy because of the words and the picture. So the words tell me that the passage is happy, and the pictures tell me they're happy. So they're conveying the same message. And in passage 2, the picture's telling me that the cloud is sad, and the words are also telling me that clouds are sad. So this tells me the emoji is sad because of how it looks and the words. So what we're going to be focusing on, what you need to do in your reading, is to pay attention to the pictures the author shares and the words the author shares, and then connect those two to figure out how characters are really feeling and what the setting looks like and those kinds of things. So let's explore that, okay? So here's a story. Here's the first part of the story. Baby Duck followed his mom to the pond. The pond was very large and scary for Baby Duck. Something moved. Something splashed. Something made the water ripple. What was that? Asked Baby Duck. That's just dinner telling us it's ready, said Mother Duck. Let me show you how to get dinner, quacked Mother Duck. All of a sudden, a small red snapper fish jumped high out of the water and splashed Baby Duck smack in the face. So remember what we talked about. As a reader, you're supposed to be paying attention to the pictures and the words and then connecting those two together in order to determine what the author's trying to share. So we're going to do that together. Let's take a look at the first part. So in the first part, let's first explore what the sentence tells us. So the sentence here says, Baby Duck followed his mom to the pond. The pond was very large and scary for Baby Duck. So the words are telling me that Baby Duck is scared of the big pond, right? So the words tell me that he's scared. Now I'm going to look at the picture and see if the picture tells me that. So it looks like he's kind of got a smiley face, maybe, but it looks like Mother Duck's not scared at all. So the picture shows me that Mother Duck is ready to take Baby Duck to the pond. So Mother Duck doesn't look scared at all. She's just ready to take Baby Duck. So that's how I'm connecting the words and the picture together. So let's do that on all of them. Let's look at the next one. So here he said, what does the sentence tell me? Well, it's telling me there is something mysterious in the water. So when I read these words, that makes me think that there's something mysterious in the water. And now when I look at the picture, it tells me that there's something mysterious in the water. So the picture and the words are saying the same thing. This makes me think that something is lurking under the water. The words are doing that too. It gets me a little scared, just like Baby Duck. So on this next one, remember we're looking at the pictures and the words, and we're seeing what they are connecting, telling us. So what does the sentence tell me? It says, that's just dinner, telling us it's ready. So Mother Duck is telling, she's not scared at all. She knows that that's a fish and she's going to eat it. So Mother isn't scared, and she knows what's in the water. She knows what's in there. That's what the words are telling me. What about the picture? So I see Mother Duck pointing. It looks like she might be a little scared. I'm not sure what those the watermarks are. Maybe she's a little nervous. I'm not sure what the picture's showing there. So it's not really clear. But the picture is showing me that maybe Mother Duck is scared. But when I look at them together, the picture makes me think that Mother Duck might be scared. But when I read the words, I know she's not scared. So that's me connecting the two. Now I know that Mother Duck is not scared. So look at the pictures, look at the words. And here's the last one. So the words are telling me that Baby Duck was right to be a little scared. Because the words are telling me that she got splashed in the face with water. That's what the words say. That's what they're telling me. The picture's telling me pretty much the same thing. It's telling me that poor baby duck should have been nervous. Baby duck should have been nervous because something bad was going to happen to her. That snapper fish splashed water on her. So when you go out into your reading today, remember, readers use the words, pictures, illustrations, and they connect those pictures to the words that the author uses in order to find out what the true meaning is. So try that out in your writing or reading.